Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm going to introduce you how to deal with the sound programs via the AI box from Binize. So first step, click settings and find the option which name is car. Get into it and you will find another option which name is navigation. So get in there to choose navigation monitoring. Then you will be able to change Navi sound mode to mixing. You will also be able to change the value and percentage about the Navi volume and the media volume. And at the same time, you can also open the GPS monitor here. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to purchase on Binize.com to find more discount.